We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing this. In British English it is usually said as amidst, amidst. You do want to pronounce the D, the S and the T, and it's not easy. Amidst. In American English, however, it is often said as amidst, amidst. In American English versus amidst in British English. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.